Thank you. It's our
Thank you for
pleasure.
coming back, Sir Jules and Ma'am Tali.
Thank you.
Okay, for tonight's recipe, we are making Filipino dishes. One is kare-kare, and the second one is pinakbet. And the ingredients for our kare-kare is the number one, it's eggplant.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
fresh Japanese eggplant
Seedless,
grown here
right?
in the
No
Philippines.
seeds.
With seed.
Yeah.
It's natural.
Natural.
And here is talong.
Talong.
Yeah. Other one is string beans.
Long beans, we call them.
In Tagalog, it's sitaw.
Sitaw.
Yeah. Another recipe is this one, onion,
Onion,
and the favorite garlic.
garlic.
And the main ingredients to become more tasty is homemade peanut butter. It's composed of peanut and a little bit oil and the sugar. Grind it and make it a homemade peanut butter.
Okay.
He makes them nice and even.
And this is a bitter melon, right?
Come here.
First
No.
eggplant.
We're doing the kare-kare.
Are you happy staying here in our resort?
Very,
Enjoy it
very.
very much.
It's like a home, but more comfortable than a home.
Hope you come back again here.
Yes.
Yes.
Another year or year and a half.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's now chopping the onion. And the next ingredient will be the garlic.
Look at this knife skill, how nice. Very cool.
Beautiful.
So about 3 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced.
That was 2 eggplants. I would say about a cup and a half of string beans. And
Okay.
that's our basics.
Now we turn on the fire.
Okay, right
We
now
have
we are
here an
starting-
arrangement like a Thai.
Okay, because we are healthy here, we are using olive oil.
Very good.
So a little butter with a little olive oil
Yeah.
so it won't burn.
And after a little bit, we put onion.
So first in is the onion. Is that with the garlic or just the onion?
Just together with garlic.
Together with the garlic. So he's sauteing up the
Yes,
onions
saute
and
it already.
garlic. A little bit of
Black pepper?
Yeah.
Black pepper?
Black
black
pepper.
pepper.
We do the vegetable. We already cook it in the hot water, boiled it, so that we can cook a little faster.
Okay, so this is parboiled
Yeah.
already.
It's already pre-cooked. After this one, we just saute it. We include this. This one is the banana heart.
Great, we love
Yeah.
banana hot.
So this is all the pre-boiled
Vegetable, mixed vegetable.
mixed vegetables that
Yeah.
are going in the kare-kare.
We also, the potato, we prepared, we fried it so that the taste of the potato can mix already,
So
more
this is
tasty.
the grated
The
potato.
eggplant or potato?
Eggplant.
Yeah.
Rather the potato.
Yeah, that they're very tasty fried.
Peanut sauce.
So in goes the peanut sauce.
Yeah.
Which is
Peanut
The
butter
spices
sauce. Yeah.
and-
Chef, what was in the liquid that you poured in? That was kind of reddish in color?
Yeah. Yeah,
What
we
was
use
in
this
that?
one, the anato powder.
yeah.
Annatto powder?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you look, here we have a powder one, but if you don't have this one, we have this one. This is what the seed, the anato seed.
Oh.
This one
Those
you
are a
can.
little sour, right?
Yeah.
They are like,
This one is you can put in the oil,
yeah.
a little saute, so that the color of this one will be like that one.
Oh,
So that's
great.
called
It's like a
annatto.
Anato
sumac.
seed.
It's like a sumac,
Yeah.
you know.
So this
That's
is a
another-
Filipino.
Aswete.
Aswete.
That's
Yeah,
what goes the peanut sauce.
Yeah.
That's been stirred up so that the oil is distributed.
Yeah.
And I see three heaping tablespoons.
Yeah.
Alright.
You see, it's more a little bit thicker.
Yeah.
So it's
already.
thickening up the sauce.
But here we are not using MSG. It's very natural. It's
Yeah.
salt, pepper only, and this one to taste and another seed.
Yes.
More healthy without MSG.
Yes.
Yes.
The balancing of salt and a little bit sweeter.
Yes.
It's look like more thicker now. Huh?
Yeah, much thicker. Beautiful color.
Your shot of
Shutter? Yes,
the
sir.
curry curry.
We enjoyed this dish very much during our time here.
Yes. One of our favorite
Yeah, one of
Filipino
our
dishes.
favorite
Let's
dishes.
put it.
Explain the name. Why do you call it pakbet?
Pakbet, it means a mix of vegetable. It's like pinagkabit-kabit. It's mixed
Okay.
vegetable.
Okay, so
This
the
one is
first one we
the-
have
The bitter gourd.
is bitter gourd, which is a locally grown ingredient that you see in several places.
We have bowl and
And then he puts
this one
this-
put
Oh,
it
you marinate
So
it.
he
How
puts it in
long do
salt.
you marinate?
maybe 20 minutes
Okay.
Okay,
so that the bitterness of this one less.
so he's taken out the
Yeah.
seeds, he's seeded the bitter gourd,
Also
and now
this,
it's going
this
to get
one so
salted.
that the bitterness become lesser.
Yes,
And we can chop.
chops it up, and it's going to go in with the salt.
The chopping of this one, it's much more thicker so that the bitterness become less also.
Yes. So
Put this one in the salt and twist it
yeah.
so that the bitterness of this one become lesser.
Yeah.
I put
That's the secret.
water with a little water. After 20 minutes of this one, making like that, and you will already switch this one, like this one.
Squeeze.
Squeeze
Squeeze
it
it.
Squeeze hard. So
Yeah.
you get.
so that the bitterness become lesser. After that one, because I put salt, we wash another so that the salty removes
Yes.
Yeah.
and the
So we
bitterness
have to rinse this off
Yeah.
thoroughly
Again.
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 After you switch it and you cheese it and put another one, and the other one ingredients is the long beans in your country in Sito here.
Yeah.
So this dish also gets the long beans cut
Yeah.
the same way, about 1.5 to 2 inches.
Okay, this one. The one, this
Next
one is squash.
ingredient is
Squash.
squash. With a consistency
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Japanese eggplant, so we have one eggplant and one 1-inch thick slice of squash.
After that one, you can also use okra or ladyfinger.
Yeah.
Um,
That's very
In here
good too.
is the top okra.
Yes.
Okay, and this one, a little bit of this one again, onion and garlic. And if you want more vegetable, it's more healthy, you just add this one, the sayote one. And also add, you can also add cabbage so
yeah.
that more vegetable, more healthier.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So
More
far, and
variety.
here we also use spring onion.
Spring onion.
Okay.
Scattered.
After all that one, we can use already this one again. We also use again the pre-boiled vegetables so that it's more easier.
Yes, so you
Yes.
parboil the
Okay.
vegetables first.
Right now, become more healthy. We use sesame oil,
Ah,
so that very good aroma.
you love the
Yes.
aroma
Yeah.
of ingredients.
Yeah. This This one called pakbet.
to make pop bet.
So we'll also use maybe vegetable saute. This one. You can also this one again.
So these are dishes that anyone who goes to a Filipino restaurant in
Yeah.
the world
For me, I
will
use
generally find these
to put first the bell pepper, the black pepper, so that the aroma and the taste will mix already in the.
And is that a dishes that people make in their home too?
Yes,
Usually they
yes.
make that.
Especially on the urban areas. So, pakbet is the best.
It's famous there.
Okay. Is ready to put that our this one. Pakbet.
Nice color. And do usually people add to this chicken or fish
Oh, yes.
or beef?
It
What do they do?
also can put chicken or pork. So that
Pork.
become more tasty.
Yeah.
It also use sometimes what you call this one bagoong here. The fish fermented.
Yeah.
You can also hear,
To add some flavor. Yeah.
but a little bit smelly.
Smelly,
That
but
is-
still delicious.
Yeah, it's not delicious. After that, for balancing the taste of this one, we add a little bit of oyster sauce.
Oh,
So a little sweet with
Yeah. A little bit
thickening.
of sweet and
and
saltiness.
salty.
If you want a little bit spicy, you can put maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 1 or 2 tablespoons of the
Not
oyster
a lot.
sauce,
I see not a
1 or
lot.
2 tablespoons of the soy sauce.
If you want more spicy, you can put chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Yeah. Or long chili.
Nice.
Yeah, the long chili pepper. Tastes good already. Huh?
Smells very good.
Yes.
And the last one we put is this one.
So we
The
add
Scallions,
scallions,
spring onions.
spring onion. Can become more
just
aromatic.
about a tablespoon or 2 of
Yeah.
scallions.
Tinidor nga yan.
A little bit of red chili flakes.
Just beautiful dish.
Yeah. I'm
Full
sure
of
that
healthy vegetable.
we've been eating this all
Yes.
in the 3
We are
years.
happy
Yes.
that you are
we are.
enjoying our food here in Sunset Cove.
Thank you, and thank you for demonstrating the cooking for people who are not familiar with Filipino cuisine.
And you'll be able to get this food at any Filipino restaurant. These
But
are
sometimes there are
important
no,
dishes.
like where we live, there is no
No.
Filipino restaurant at all. So they can make it home.
Yes.
So do kids, Filipino kids, like the bitter melon?
Right now, it's the children right now doesn't want a bitter one.
Don't want the bitter.
The children's like this one squash
Yeah,
and potato,
yeah.
like French fries right now.
Yes.
So we're gonna
Entering
post
here
this.
in our kitchen, we are happy. We hope to come back again here in
Yes.
Sunset Cove.
We wish you had your own YouTube channel to make all the delicious cooking that you
Thank
do.
you, ma'am. Thank you. ma'am.